doctors had to say with regards to the health condition of the rebel star.
ಕ್ಯಾಟನತ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂಬರೀಷ್ ಅವರು ಈಗ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ಜನ ಆಗಲೇ ಏನೋ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. 15 ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೈಸೂರು ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಶುಗರು, ಫಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಕು ಇರೋಲ್ಲ, ಇದಿರೋಲ್ಲ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ICUಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆನೇ ಅವ್ರು ಆಗಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ವಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಷ್ಟೇ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ICU ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಘು ಎನ್ ವಿಜಯ್ನೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನ್ಯೂರಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ, ಸುಧೀರ್ ಪೈ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಏನೇನೋ ಊಹಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎದುರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇರೋದೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು, ಅಂಬರೀಷ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ಗೆ ಚೆಕಪ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Well, that was the doctors, in fact, trying to allay the fears. More on this story, I'm joined by my colleague, Nishchita. Nishchita, a midnight visit that sparked off a lot of speculation.
That's right. In fact, unfortunately, let's not forget the kind of hype that Ambarish being admitted to the hospital had created just a couple of months back. People were concerned that his health might be at some serious risk, but he was shifted to Singapore Hospital, as you rightly mentioned, Verghese, where he underwent extensive treatment for his respiratory infection. But last night, after 15 days after his grand return to Bengaluru, Ambarish was once again spotted at Mysore's Vikram Hospital, where he underwent some regular checkups. He was asked to give a blood test and various other such tests, which one would assume is to ensure that his recovered health has maintained as it is supposed to. But soon after which he came to Bengaluru and he has been admitted to the Bengaluru hospital. And as we listen to him, being the rebel star that he is, he assured his fans that there was nothing wrong with him and that he is absolutely fine. In fact, those words were reiterated by Dr. Ravish as well, who is Ambarish's doctor. He said that his Ambarish's health is absolutely fine, but he has been admitted for close to a day. He was admitted last night, and he might stay in hospital by this afternoon or till this evening, and he might be discharged, after which it will probably be a regular process of ensuring all his vital parameters are functioning fine. As let's not forget that his condition had become very, very delicate after he was admitted to the Vikram Hospital a couple of months back for a respiratory infection. Several days of treatment had not shown any results. So this time around, the doctor is leaving nothing to chance. This time around, the doctor is actually ensuring that they keep a regular check on his health. They ensure that he has maintained his health. Possibly there are some diets also that have been prescribed for the rebel star, considering that his body had weakened due to the treatment. He had lost oodles of weight. So there was a certain amount of diet that his body could tolerate, and probably that's why the doctors too wanted to just double check to ensure that his health was right. So as Ambarish said, as the doctor said as well, there seems to be no cause of concern at the moment, but at the same time we know that worried fans are hoping and praying that Ambarish does not go back into that phase of his illness that everyone feared, but instead emerges from the hospital once again like the rebel star that we know he is.
Thank you, Nishchita, for joining us with all those details. Well, it was a lot of speculation that was heralded once the rebel star was seen going to Vikram Hospital, but the rebel star has assured all his fans that there's nothing, it's just a routine checkup and that everything is fine. And he also said there's no need for any speculations with regards to that. So it looks like the rebel star is back on his feet and that this was just a normal and regular checkup. The doctors of Vikram Hospital also went ahead and said that it was a regular checkup and that Ambarish had come to check his blood and sugar levels, which was mandatory as a post-treatment checkup, and that is why the rebel star was at Vikram Hospital. They said they're also monitoring his condition after the treatment. So it was a follow-up treatment that was in fact being taken into consideration at the Vikram hospital. But of course, this had sparked off a lot of speculation and rumors were going wild. But the rebel star has quietened them, saying that there's nothing. He's just come so that he could rest in the hospital, he can avoid the morning traffic, and he has to go for a fasting sugar test early in the morning. So he's thought, well, not be at the hospital and go ahead with such tests so that it will be done with. And also the doctors went ahead and said that once the tests are all over and the results are in, he will be probably leaving for his house by afternoon. So just a follow-up treatment that would have sparked out a lot of speculation on his health when he visited the Vikram hospital. In fact, Amrish was there with Rajinikanth in Mandya, and when the latter had come to, in fact, shoot for his film Linga, and he along with his wife Sumalata was there. The family shares a special relationship with Rajinikanth, and it's also on Rajinikanth's advice that it is believed that the rebel star was taken to Mount Elizabeth Hospital in Singapore. And also the rebel star, while came back to Mandya at the height of campaigning for the Congress candidate, and he was there out to campaign for Ramya. And after all the significant events that had happened in the last 15 days, he's back on track. He's come for a regular checkup at Vikram Hospital. Water is a basic necessity for human beings. Unfortunately for the residents of Jagaluru in Davnagere, the neighboring regions, they have been deprived of clean drinking water.
This is Jagaluru Taluk in Davangere district. It stands third on the list of the state's most underdeveloped regions. People here have been drinking water contaminated with fluoride and nitrate for several years, and they have been severely affected. The average lifespan of people in this village has decreased. Middle-aged people look older as their hair grays sooner. A few legislators are now insisting that the government do something about the problem.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 35 ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶುದ್ಧವಾದ ಕುಡಿಯುವ ಘಟಕವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನುಳಿದವಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಈಗ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ರಾಜ್ ಸಚಿವರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಚ್ ಕೆ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅವರು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಶುದ್ಧವಾದ ನೀರಿನ ಘಟಕ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಗೆ ಭರವಸೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
There are 1,408 residential areas in the district, out of which people from 718 drink the contaminated water. There are 919 borewells and 1,616 water bodies in the district. Water is distributed to the people through 3,398 hand pumps. It's only the borewell water that is contaminated. Legislators from Harapanahalli, Mayakonda, Jagaluru and Harihara have come together to seek a solution to the long pending problem.
ನಾನು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಟೂರಿಗೆ, ನಾನು ಖುದ್ದಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಸಭೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಊರಿಗೆ ನೀರಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಟೂರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ.
Residents of this region are facing health issues for no fault of theirs. Hopefully the government comes up with a workable solution and puts an end to the woes of the people of the district. Baswaraj Doddamani, News 9, Davangere.